The fifth and final technology that I want to share with you is called Evernote. And I categorize Evernote in procedures because this is something that I teach at the very beginning of the year. The reasons that I like this is because it's organized, it's in one place and cannot get lost unless something has happened in the cloud. And the goal of Evernote is to teach students to take quality notes, to teach them how to store in the cloud, and then the notes are stored in the cloud so they can use them anywhere and anytime. The audience that I try to portray to is colleagues and students. And then my ISTE Students 6B standard is select and use applications effectively and productively. And then the second standard is ISTE Students 2A, interact, collaborate, and publish with peers, experts, or others employing a variety of digital environments and media. So with that, I'm going to show you Evernote on the web. So once you create an account and you log in, this is what it pops up to. And this is my first notebook that I'm going to show you a tutorial on. And so the title of my note. So the title of my note is going to be 7th grade science. Okay, and then what it says right here is you can drag your files here or just start typing. And so I can either attach a file so that students can see it, or I can just start typing notes and project them up on the whiteboard about some different things. So if I just put cells, then I drop down an indent and put something that goes underneath cells, such as plants, animals, etc., as I keep typing and showing them how to do this. Now, something that I can do is I can put a reminder on here for a time like to study them or to look at them for students. The next thing is there's shortcuts, there's information, and then you can trash them. I can also share this via social media or a link. I can send a note to another student in the class. When I'm done with my first one, I can just click done, and then it's right here when I need to edit, go back to look. When adding notes, you click over here to the plus sign to add a new note, and then it does the same thing. When you need to search for something so students have had quite a few notes put on here and they need to search for a particular topic like earth and space science, then they can click the search and they can type in search for their note and it'll go within that notebook. The next thing is this is a new feature that they have put up. This is work chat. So this is something that they can talk student to student about something that's within the notes. We've already talked about shortcuts. You can click notes and it'll pop back up with a different reminder. You can have different notebooks. So if a student wants a different notebook in Evernote for science and math and writing, they can create one. And then tags are different things that you put on it. So if it's like cross-curricular where they've learned the metric system in science and then they've taken it to math, it's great for a tag because it can be in the middle. Once students have done all of that, then they are able to take notes effectively. They're able to share them with me, with other students, and they're all in one space and organized in different notebooks and categories.